All right, boys, before we get started on today's epic video, I want to let you know we just restocked the Boston Apparel Essentials line. What the Essentials line is, because I know there's a lot of new subscribers, it is all of your guys' favorite items we've ever dropped that we aim to keep in stock all the time. Now, we did run out of stock recently, so everything's completely restocked. We are introducing the Just Boosted hoodie into the Essentials line and this red drip hoodie as well. And then as far as t-shirts go, we have the She Built t-shirt in 3 different colors, the Turbo Rose in 3 different colors, the Drip tee in 3 different colors, and then your guys' absolute favorite, the Fast Cars and Freedom tee in 3 different colors. Now for today and today only, for a little Cyber Monday deal, we are dropping a very, very limited hyper blue drip tee. You guys also love the drip tees a lot, so we're dropping that for 24 hours only, and then it will be off the site. And guess what? You want a free t-shirt? You see this t-shirt I'm wearing right here? Nice little simple drip logo on the front. Every order over $50 is gonna get one of these in their order. Now that's only while supplies last, of course. We only have a handful of these in stock. So if you want one, pop down on the site. If your order is over $50, you're gonna get a free t-shirt, $27 value for free. It's a good deal. As always, every order over $100 in the continental United States does qualify for free shipping. And as always, I really appreciate your guys' support. All this wild stuff we're doing these days would not be possible without you guys. So thank you. Good morning. I must say this car does not perform very well on the ice, which is to be expected. It feels so empty in the shop without the orange Evo sitting here. So sad. Today we are going to hopefully complete 100% of this car. Just get it done. Of course the radar is not in for the lane assist BS, but I don't really care about any of that. I just want to drive this car. We're at the point now where we can just get it done. We have all of the moldings for this side. There's a back cover here, molding here, molding here, molding here, here, and here. So all those have to be clipped onto the car. We need to assemble the hood properly with the windshield sprayers and get the sprayer little hose connected. Make sure all that's good to go. There's a headlight I forgot to plug in, windshield wipers, and then windshield wiper cowl, some runs in the paint. There's a bunch of random stuff that I want to get finished up so we can actually just go ahead and enjoy this car. We are waiting on some coilovers because of course this strut is bent. But other than that, this thing drives amazingly. All right, so I got all of those trim pieces and moldings back on. I started messing around with this window because I kept having the problem. It's the most annoying thing in the world and I could not figure it out. As you can see, it's all torn apart. So the window would come up automatically, it'd reach the top and then bounce and come halfway back down. And then I realized I can reset all that on the Autel. If you come into the power window setting and then adjustment, you can adjust all of the windows. So passenger window reset, and it fixed the problem because as you can see now, she goes down and up just fine. Beautiful. So we got the engine bay all completed. The seal is on, the cover's on, it's all clipped in, ready to go. Looks nice and factory again. The next issue I was chasing down was the keyless remote. So you guys have been seeing every time we go to start the car, if the key is not right up on the switch, we cannot get this thing to turn on. It's been like that since day one. Code is a B1660. Front interior LF antenna circuit open. So front interior low frequency antenna. And I finally figured out where that is. So if you guys can remember back when this car was sitting outside, the homeless population around my shop, they ended up breaking in, stealing the radio. And when they did that, they actually broke the low frequency antenna. And I didn't realize that's what it was until now. So I had to pull this thing back apart. I need to just get that dang sticker off as well, but I had to pull this thing back apart. The low frequency antenna is hidden down in here. All right, so here's that low frequency antenna. As you can see, the connector's broken off, so that was never plugged in. Let's go swap it out, and that should take care of our problem. Okay, so we have the keys here, not right on the ignition like always. Let's see if she'll work. Cool, easy fix. I like it. So we got this thing 100%, no, 99.9% assembled. The only thing we're missing is the front inner fender liners. I don't have all the clips for them, and I don't want to go drive the car and have them rip out. Other than that, every single other thing is installed. The interior is 100% complete. As you can tell, exterior 100% complete. We got the wipers back on with the cowl. The whole engine bay is dialed in. We got the seal on there. Everything is done with this car, which is so cool to see. All finished up. I'm gonna spend the rest of this evening, and we need to finish up this door. So this door, it's bad. Let me show you. When we painted this car, I didn't want any paint buttered up, so we did blend this door, and I did not know this at the time because this is the only door this is the only thing I've ever blended in my life. But on a panel that you're blending and you don't have base coat down on, so we did base to right about here, and there's no base coat back here, you want to go a little bit lighter on your first coat of clear, and as you can see, I did not. We have a massive run there, all down here is runs pretty much the whole back side of the door from like here back ran. So I am gonna really take my time. I'm gonna give myself a few hours. I don't want to rush it and mess this paint up at all. I think those are the only runs we got in the whole paint job. Actually, we have a tiny one right there. That'll be easy to get out. I don't want to have to redo this door, so let's go ahead and pull the handle off and start knocking down some runs. The whole door is sanded down, very nice and flat, ready for a polish. I used 800 grit on a stick. I do agree that is pretty aggressive, but I had a lot of runs and a lot of material to take off. So 800 on a stick, wet, 1500 on a block, and then 2000 on the DA, 3000 on the DA, and now we are ready for a polish. Utilizing the one and only Rupes Bigfoot Polisher. Just got the first little section of the door done, and it's gonna look absolutely amazing. Don't mind the compound there. All right, let's knock out the whole thing with the step 1 Rupes, and then we can bust out the polish and make her shine. Eventually, of course, we do need to do the whole car, but this door was so bad, as you guys saw, that I didn't even want to take this thing home, which is what I'm trying to do tonight. I'm trying to take her home. We got super close to getting this complete door all finished up, and then I ran out of time, so I'm gonna pop back here in the morning and get that all finished up. But here is how she should look. Looks 1,000 times better with no runs. So freaking flat, my friends. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.